Hey friends, have you ever failed a test or felt like you are not good enough? What if I told you that the smartest man in history once failed his college entrance exam, got kicked out of school, and couldn't find a job for 2 whole years? And yet, his name is now the word we use for super genius. How did that happen? Let's find out together. Get ready to be shocked. The Slow Little Boy. Albert Einstein was born in Germany in 1879. When he was a baby, his head was so big and strange looking that the maid called him the monster. He started speaking very late, almost 4 years old. His parents were worried. Is something wrong with our son? But little Albert was not sick. He was just thinking all the time. One day his father gave him a simple compass. Albert was only 5, but he cried with happiness. Why does the needle always point north? There must be an invisible force. That tiny compass changed his life. From that day, he wanted to know the secrets of the universe. School hated him and he hated school. Albert hated rules and memorizing. Teachers said, Einstein, you will never become anything. At 15, he left school without finishing because he argued with teachers every day. Later, he tried to enter a top university in Switzerland and failed the entrance exam badly. He failed language, history, biology, everything except math and physics. Imagine the boy who later became the greatest scientist failing a simple exam. He had to go to a normal high school for one more year, like a little kid. Finally, he entered university, but even their professors said, you are lazy and arrogant. When he graduated, not a single professor wanted to give him a job. For 2 years, Albert sent letters everywhere. Please hire me to teach. Answer nothing. He was broke, living with his parents, feeling like a total failure. The boring job that saved the world. In 1902, his father was dying and begged a friend to help. Albert got the most boring job ever, a low level clerk in a patent office in Switzerland. He checked if new inventions worked 8 hours a day, sitting at a desk. Everyone thought, poor Albert, his life is over. But Albert was secretly happy. He called his desk drawer his department of theoretical physics. During lunch break and after work, he wrote crazy ideas on paper. He worked completely alone. No big lab, no money, no helpers. The Miracle Year 1905, 4 ideas that broke the world. In just 1 year, when he was only 26 years old, Albert wrote 4 papers that changed everything. He proved that tiny items really exist. No one fully believed it before. He explained how light can behave like tiny bullets. This invention later gave us solar panels, TV cameras, and lasers. He created the world's most famous formula E is equal to mc square. It means a tiny piece of matter can make huge energy. That's how the sun shines and sadly how atomic bombs work. He said time and space are not fixed. They can stretch and bend. If you travel near the speed of light, time shows down for you. Crazy? Right. But there is the shocking part. When he sent these papers, almost nobody cared. Scientists thought he was joking. Newspapers ignored him. Albert kept working at the patent office like nothing happened. The day the sun proved he was right. In 1919, something magical happened, a total solar eclipse. A British scientist traveled to Africa to watch the eclipse and test Albert's idea. Albert had predicted when the sun is hidden, starlight will bend because gravity bends space. If he was wrong, he said he would quit science forever. The day the photos came back, the stars had moved exactly as Albert calculated. Next morning, newspapers all over the world shouted, Einstein is right. New theory of universe. In one day, the unknown clerk became the most famous scientist on earth. People stopped him on the street for autographs. People stopped him on the street for autographs. He became more famous than movie stars. The dark side of fame. Soon, bad people in Germany started hating Jewish people. Albert was Jewish. His name was on a list to be killed. In 1933, he escaped to America just in time. He never returned to Germany. Later, when atomic bombs were dropped on Japan, Albert cried. He had helped start the project because he was scared of Hitler. But he said, singing that letter was the biggest mistake of my life. The last surprise. Einstein died in 1955. But even after death, something funny happened. The doctor secretly took his brain and kept it in a jar for 14 years, trying to find the secret of genius. Scientists discovered his brain had extra connections in the math area. Maybe that helped, or maybe it was just his never stop asking questions attitude. Message for you. So remember the boy who spoke late, the student who failed exams, the jobless graduate, the quiet clerk became the greatest mind in history. Why? Because he never stopped being curious. He turned every failure into fuel. Your bad test score today, your I am not good enough feeling, it can be the start of something amazing, just like it was for Einstein. Tomorrow, I shall tell you the story of another legend who started from zero. Who do you want next? Tell me in the comments. See you tomorrow. Keep dreaming big.